6 Tips for Successful Project Management. Whether you are an experienced project manager or someone who has been planning and preparing to become a project management professional, there are certain things that every professional should know about, such as planning, scheduling, resource leveling, budgeting. However, some knowledge of project management and experience may not be enough to bring success all the time. You need to develop your own methods and approaches to achieve success. Here we have 6 successful project management tips for you. 1. Don't promise what you can't deliver. Setting reasonable expectations is one of the most important success factors. If you promise to give more than needed, it will be a bit dangerous considering the risk factors. Set reasonable expectations and keep everyone satisfied, but sometimes, do not hesitate to take risks and promise to over-deliver if you are 100% sure. 2. Get to know your team members. Human is in the origin of everything. We perform projects with the contributions of clients, team members, vendors, stakeholders, and anybody involved in the processes. No matter how many people are working with you, you need to know the strengths and weaknesses of your team members in order to assign the right person to the right task. Not every project fits every individual's requirements, but if you know your team members' strengths and weaknesses, you will decide how to use them effectively. 3. Put the right people in the right job. Each project manager has different skills and competencies. The same goes for project team members. You need to consider the knowledge and abilities of candidates while forming a team. For example, a large and sophisticated project requires more skilled staff than a small, low-budget project. On the other hand, assigning a highly experienced staff for a secondary task will be costly. 4. Be honest. Undoubtedly, that honesty is one of the most important policies while managing a project. Not everyone needs to know everything all the time. However, if you hide many things from your team members or stakeholders, it will be difficult to get their support when you need it regarding your secrets. Believe in transparency in project management. Share information and let them come to you with more insights. 5. Meet deadlines. One of the main responsibilities of a project manager is completing a project on time and budget by meeting deadlines and major project milestones. Therefore, as a project manager, you need to have advanced planning and scheduling skills to track the project schedule and take action in case of delays. 6. Be a good leader. In order to be a good leader in your project, you must have some traits such as inspiration, vision, integrity, communication. If you guide your team members rather than just managing and forcing them to work, you will increase your chance to influence people towards the achievement of project goals. Beyond these, develop your emotional intelligence skills in the workplace, because highly emotionally intelligent project managers are more successful than their coworkers. They have a set of skills that help to manage both their own and other people's emotions.